Hi, I'm Larry, the pin bug guy, and this is my buddy, Mr. Minion. And welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen. So, I got some unpackaging to do for you. So, it's Christmas afternoon at the pin bug home. So, here we go. A small little package from China. So, I wonder what it is. Well, let's find out. Here we go. Here we go. And as y'all know, I will ink them up before I do a review. And this is what I suspected. This is the, what I want to say, the, is it the Hero Bauer? This is the, and I'll put you over here, young man. I believe it's the Hero. Made in China. And the name up here should be Hero. So there we go. And it's got that icky converter, but that's okay. And the reason why I got this pen is because of the nib. And I'll go over that later. That's that crooked nib. But I will do a review later and explain the whole 9 yards about it. That's going to be a fun pen. Fun pen. Next one. Now this is really a fun pen. Another package from Santa Bug. Comes from Italy. If you've been keeping up with my reviews and stuff, you know what I'm into, vintage Viscontis, right? Well, here it is. This one comes from Italy. And this is a vintage Visconti. Not just any Visconti. And I'm excited because this is the one I've been waiting for. And it finally has arrived. So let's just put all that there. And here it comes right here in this box. Cardboard sleeve box. Cool. But it's inside that we're wanting to get into. So nothing in there. And here is the hard case box with the Visconti logo. All the good stuff on it. And we'll open it up and we'll see what is in here. Well, I will. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that beautiful pen. Now that's even prettier in person, I think. Look at that. Woo! Good looking. Visconti Opera. But what's so special about this vintage Visconti Opera, it has the beautiful 14K gold two-tone nib. Woo! That's what I've been wanting for some time now. Comes with your converter. Really a nice, beautiful pen. So, I will give a review on this as well later. Thank you for joining me. Leave your comments below. And yes, I am pumped up. I'm excited because Santa Bug pen has arrived. Later, guys.